Friction. Have you noticed why a moving ball stops? Why bicycle stops when the cyclist stops pedaling? Naturally, there must be some force that stops moving objects. Since a force not only moves an object but also stops moving object, the force that opposes the motion of moving objects is called friction. Friction is a force that comes into action as soon as a body is pushed or pulled over a surface. In case of solids, the force of friction between two bodies depends upon many factors such as nature of the two surfaces in contact and the pressing force between them. Rub your palm over different surfaces such as table, carpet, polished marble surface, brick, etc. You will find smoother is the surface, easier it is to move over the surface. Moreover, harder you press your palm over the surface, more difficult would it be to move. Why friction opposes motion? No surface is perfectly smooth. A surface that appears smooth has pits and bumps that can be seen under a microscope. The image shows two wooden blocks with their polished surfaces in contact. A magnified view of two smooth surfaces in contact shows the gaps and contacts between them. The contact points between the two surfaces form a sort of cold welds. These cold welds resist the surfaces from sliding over each other. Adding weight over the upper block increases the force pressing the surfaces together and hence, increases the resistance. Thus, greater is the pressing force, greater will be the friction between the sliding surfaces. Advantages and disadvantages of friction. Friction is undesirable when moving at high speeds because it opposes the motion and thus limits the speed of moving objects. Most of our useful energy is lost as heat and sound due to the friction between various moving parts of machines. In machines, friction also causes wear and tear of their moving parts. However, sometimes friction is most desirable. We cannot write if there would be no friction between paper and the pencil. Friction enables us to walk on the ground. We cannot run on a slippery ground. Similarly, it is dangerous to apply brakes with full force to stop a fast-moving vehicle on a slippery road. Like and follow for more physics.